This is the Iron Trader, and it is midday trading. Today we're going to take a look here at two tech stocks, Meta and Microsoft. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Meta, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, had a really good run up. See the gap here? Really good, gapped up, came down, but holding all these key moving averages. And once this price gets above that 8, see how that just carries it all the way up. Now, if you look at this 8 SMA, see how it's rolling over. So what we want to do, let's just look at the upside first. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to look here at this 212.84. That's going to be key resistance level. Then we have here is you got 215.33. Okay, that's your 8 SMA. And then you obviously have your retest here at 222.11. All right, but it has to really get above, close above these two key levels. Now, if you look on the downside here, all right, what we have here is you have to look at this candle right here. Okay, this one right here, the low is 202.54. That's your gap. Right here is your fill at 201.03. That would be the next key level support. And then what we have here is we have 197.90, and then your 50 SMA here sitting at 196.26. All right, so here on the weekly chart, what we want to do is watch this key level right here. See this 8 SMA, how this price, once it got above, it just rides right up. So this is key support. This is at 206.65. So we want to definitely watch that. We want to watch this gap and this fill, and then watch this key 8 SMA here. If this is lost, then we start rolling all the way down. You're not necessarily going to get all the way down to the 21, but you probably will get down to these other candle levels that are like right here, your retest and your 50 SMA. Now, on the upside, if you can clear that 222.11, then we have to worry about here is this 232.59. See this 200 SMA, that is really key resistant. But if it could get above this, you could definitely just go higher. I mean, you look at the bottom of these candles here, and then your big retest, but that's way off. The key is just look at this 200 SMA if it closes above 222.11, and then watch these key 196.26, and then your retest here 197.90. All right, here we have Mr. Softy. Oh, Microsoft. You have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, same thing here. See how this rolled right on up here, holding all them SMAs, and then now see how it's rolling back? I don't like it where that 8 SMA is coming over. If it crosses below this 21, see what happens here? Then it takes the price right on down, and then you're fighting it the whole way to get back up. But let's just look at the upside. First of all, we want to look here at 284.94. Okay, that's your big 21 SMA. Then we want to look here at 285.42. And then you're obviously, we want to look here at this candle here. This is sitting at 289.03. And then we want to have your big retest here at 292.08. Now on the downside, very similar to Meta, we want to look here at 272.05. That's your retest. And then we want to look here at 271.10. That is your key 50 SMA here. But if you look at this chart here, same way here, if you look at this nice double bottom, see, that was the buy point right there. Once it goes down low, comes back and retests and holds, that's the buy point to go up. See on the weekly chart, see how nice this is? And it's been holding this 200 SMA. That's very critical. These 200 on these weekly charts, that's very critical support levels. But it put in a nice double bottom with a higher low and then rallied right on up here. So what we want to do is just watch these levels here. And then if this happens to be lost, then we can look over here at the 259.22, and we can look here at 257.02. But always watch on your back burner this 200 SMA here for long term if it happens to go below. All right, thanks for watching.